Hi, I'm Sherri L Smith, Editor-in-Chief of Laptop Mag, and while we are in the dead of summer and it is hot, inside with Samsung it's even hotter. So I am standing here with the Samsung Galaxy Flip 4 and it is absolutely gorgeous. It starts at $999, and with that you will get a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor with 8 gigs of RAM. And it starts with 128 gigs of onboard storage, and it goes all the way up to 512 gigs. And as the name suggests, it's a foldable phone. So here it is, unfolded, in the beautiful new color, Bora Purple, which Bora means purple, so purple, and I match. And and Samsung has a lot of new and cool ways to use this phone. The display, bright as ever. The bezels are incredibly slim, and you've got that little teardrop notch there. But what I'm really interested in is the camera tricks, so because there are a lot. So knowing that the TikTok and Reels and all types of social media are afoot, Samsung has made it that much easier to take your Snapchat, take your snaps, your TikToks or whatever without having to interact with the camera. So you just sit it there, and and you can do it that way, or you can even use the little display on the top, which is really cool to me. And I would we've been recording this whole time, which is really cool. It's a lightweight, sleek phone. And it's the fun phone. You've got a lot of colors going on with this one, not to be confused with its bigger brother, which is all about productivity. And there's even going to be a bespoke model where you can actually choose the back, the frame, and the bottom, so you can really have a customizable experience. But this is the first hands-on with the Galaxy Flip 4. I'm Sherri L Smith, and for more coverage on this phone, the Fold, laptops and tablets and VR headsets and wearables, stay tuned.